Do you have a plumbing problem at your business or home? Do you have toilets that are constantly running? Do you have a problem with leaking pipes? ECM can resolve your plumbing problems. Don't let your water bill cost you money. Whether your problem is related to a clogged toilet or a leaking toilet, or if your bathroom sink is clogged, or a bathtub that is leaking water. Even if you have a flood due to a broken or damaged water pipe, East Coast Mechanical can handle it. No job is too small or too big for East Coast Mechanical to handle. Here at ECM, we specialize in taking care of all of your plumbing needs. ECM can resolve your plumbing problems quickly. If it involves water or pipes, we have you covered. Please call us anytime at 561-585-9850.